Welcome to our video on nerve health foods. Did you know that the food you eat can have a significant impact on your nervous system? Nerves are responsible for transmitting signals throughout the body, allowing us to move and feel sensations. But many of us don't realize that certain foods can help protect and nourish our nerve cells, while others can contribute to damage and deterioration. In this video, we'll be exploring some of the best nerve health foods that you should incorporate into your diet to support a healthy nervous system. From delicious berries to fatty fish, we'll take a deep dive into the science behind these foods and how they can benefit your overall health and well-being. So, if you're interested in learning about foods that can help improve your nerve, reduce inflammation, and lower your risk of developing chronic diseases, then keep watching. We have some exciting and informative content coming your way. 8 foods for mind-blowing nerve health. 1. Green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables are a great source of vitamins A, C, and K, all of which are important for nerve health. Vitamin A helps to protect the nerves from damage. Vitamin C helps to produce collagen, which is essential for nerve function, and vitamin K helps to blood clot, which is important for nerve repair. Some good sources of green leafy vegetables include spinach, kale, and broccoli. Green leafy vegetables are also a good source of antioxidants, which can help protect the nerves from damage. Antioxidants help to neutralize free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage cells. Some good sources of antioxidants in green leafy vegetables include beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin. Green leafy vegetables are versatile food that can be eaten raw, cooked, or juiced. They are a great addition to salads, soups, stir-fries, and smoothies. 2. Salmon. Salmon is a fatty fish that is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for nerve health. Omega-3s are a type of polyunsaturated fat that plays a critical role in the structure and function of our nerve cells. They help to maintain the integrity of the myelin sheath, which is the protective covering that surrounds nerve fibers and allows them to transmit signals more efficiently. Studies have shown that omega-3s can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is a common cause of many chronic diseases, including those that affect the nervous system. Inflammation can damage nerve cells and disrupt their ability to communicate with each other, leading to a variety of neurological disorders. Salmon is also a good source of vitamin B12, which is important for nerve function and the production of red blood cells. A deficiency in vitamin B12 can lead to nerve damage and other neurological symptoms. Overall, incorporating salmon into your diet is an excellent way to support your nerve health. 3. Blueberries. Blueberries are a type of berry that is packed with nutrients and has been shown to have numerous health benefits, including nerve health. Blueberries are particularly high in a group of antioxidants called anthocyanins, which have been shown to improve cognitive function and protect against age-related cognitive decline. Studies have also found that consuming blueberries can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is a common cause of many chronic diseases, including those that affect the nervous system. In addition to their antioxidant properties, blueberries are also a good source of vitamin C, which is important for the production of collagen, a protein that is essential for the health of the nervous system. They also contain flavonoids, which are compounds that have been shown to improve blood flow to the brain and protect against oxidative stress. Overall, incorporating blueberries into your diet is an excellent way to support your nerve health. 4. Walnuts. Walnuts are a type of nut that is packed with nutrients and have been shown to have numerous health benefits, including nerve health. They are particularly high in healthy fats, including omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for the structure and function of our nerve cells. Omega-3s play a critical role in the development and maintenance of the myelin sheath, which is the protective covering that surrounds nerve fibers and allows them to transmit signals more efficiently. Studies have shown that consuming walnuts can help improve the structure and function of the myelin sheath, leading to better nerve function and communication. In addition to their omega-3 content, walnuts are also a good source of antioxidants, which can help protect nerve cells from damage caused by free radicals. They are also high in vitamin E, which is another antioxidant that has been shown to improve nerve function and protect against age-related cognitive decline. Walnuts also contain other nutrients that are important for nerve health, including B vitamins, magnesium, and phosphorus. Overall, incorporating walnuts into your diet is an excellent way to support your nerve health. 5. Whole grains. Whole grains are a good source of B vitamins, which are essential for nerve health. B vitamins help to produce energy for the nerves, and they also help to protect the nerves from damage. Some good sources of whole grains include brown rice, quinoa, and oats. Whole grains are also a good source of fiber, which can help promote digestive health. Digestive health is important for overall health, and it can also play a role in nerve health. Whole grains are a versatile food that can be eaten as a breakfast cereal, a side dish, or a snack. They are a great way to get the nutrients your body needs. 6. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains flavonols, which are antioxidants that can help protect the nerves from damage. Flavonols have been shown to improve blood flow to the brain and to increase the production of nerve growth factors, which are proteins that help to repair and regenerate damaged nerves. Dark chocolate also contains magnesium, a mineral that is essential for nerve function. Magnesium helps to regulate nerve activity and to protect the nerves from damage. In addition, dark chocolate contains zinc, another mineral that is important for nerve health. Zinc helps to produce enzymes that are necessary for nerve function. Some studies have shown that dark chocolate can improve symptoms of nerve damage in people with conditions such as multiple sclerosis and diabetic neuropathy. However, more research is needed to confirm the long-term effects of dark chocolate on nerve health. 7. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that contains curcumin, a compound with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin has been shown to protect nerve cells from damage and promote nerve regeneration. Turmeric has also been shown to reduce pain and inflammation in people with nerve damage. Some studies have shown that turmeric may be effective in treating nerve pain associated with conditions such as multiple sclerosis, diabetic neuropathy, and rheumatoid arthritis. If you are looking for a natural way to improve your nerve health, turmeric is a good option. It is safe and effective, and it has been shown to improve nerve function and reduce pain in people with nerve damage. If you have any concerns about your nerve health, be sure to talk to your doctor. 8. Green tea. Green tea is a beverage that contains polyphenols, which are antioxidants that can help protect the nerves from damage. Polyphenols have been shown to improve blood flow to the brain and increase the production of nerve growth factors. Green tea also contains caffeine, which can help to improve alertness and focus. Caffeine is a stimulant that can help to increase the activity of the nervous system. Green tea has been shown to reduce pain and inflammation in people with nerve damage. Some studies have shown that green tea may be effective in treating nerve pain associated with conditions such as multiple sclerosis and diabetic neuropathy. Green tea has been shown to reduce pain and improve nerve function in people with nerve damage. Green tea is generally safe to consume, but it can interact with certain medications. If you are taking any medications, talk to your doctor before taking green tea. If you are looking for a natural way to improve your nerve health, green tea is a good option. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel to stay up to date with our latest content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified when we post new videos. We love hearing from our viewers, so please leave a comment below and tell us what you think of this video. Your feedback helps us improve our content and create videos you'll love. Also, Don't forget to give this video a like if you found it useful or interesting. It helps us reach more people and lets us know we're creating content they'll enjoy. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.